Well, we had a cup of tea before we came out, so we're just out to enjoy the snow for a while, and then we'll go back in and have hot chocolate and biscuits to warm them up again. So if it stays for a bit longer, we'll be out again this afternoon enjoying it.
We have been in Lurgan Park and we've been sledging and we've been making snowmen. What else have we been doing? First proper snow. I think other ones use a tiny baby, so it's a proper one that you actually can properly get out and enjoy. It's been a nice impromptu day off. Do you like it or do you love it?
I like it.
So we came down this morning here just to have a little play around in the snow, and the kids have made all these snowmen over here and pelting loads of snowballs as well, so it's been good fun. What time were you up from this morning? About 7, looking to see if the snow was there still, so yeah, it's been good. Yeah. Love it to stay for a while, so it would.
Years ago this used to be a regular occurrence, but it's definitely not anymore, so it's not.